Hello developers, welcome to Guidance. So are you preparing for a Power BI interview at Deloitte? Get ready to tackle real world scenario based questions that can make or break your chances. So in this video, we will cover expert level questions and strategic answers to help you stand out and ace your interview. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Power BI developer, these insights will give you a competitive edge. So stay tuned, take notes and let's dive in. So let's start with question 1. What are the key features of Power BI? So the key features of Power BI is interactive dashboards, data connectivity, data modeling, AI and ML integration, visualization options, collaboration and sharing, row level security (RLS), mobile access, embedded analytics, and automatic data refresh. So this is the key features of Power BI. Let's move to the question 2. What are the different data connectivity modes in Power BI? So the Power BI offers three main data connectivity modes. One is import mode, second direct query mode, and third is live connection. In import mode, data is loaded into Power BI and stored in its memory model. Best for performance because data is preloaded, supports DAX and full data modeling. In direct query mode, data is not stored in Power BI, queries in real time, slower performance, best for large datasets and always shows the latest data. In live connection, data is not stored in Power BI model, all interaction with the report using a live connection. Similar to direct query but only for SSAS, SQL Server Analysis Services, Azure Analysis Services and Power BI datasets. Question 3 is what is RLS and how do you handle dynamic RLS in Power BI? So RLS, row level security, restrict data access based on user roles. It ensures user only see relevant data based on their assigned roles, improving data security and confidentiality. So to handle dynamic RLS, apply security dynamically based on the logged in user. This method is ideal when multiple users need different levels of access without manually assigning roles. 2 steps to implement dynamic RLS. First, create a security table. This table should have user email IDs and their allowed values. For example, region, department. Then import the table into Power BI and create relationship between your data table. Then go to the modeling, click on manage roles, select security table and apply DAX filter using user principal name DAX function. So the DAX is email is equal to user principal name. Then publish the report on Power BI service. Go to workspace, dataset and security. Then ensures all relevant users are assigned. You can check RLS before sharing. Go to the modeling and click on view as role. Enter an email to verify if the correct data is displayed. So this is the implement of dynamic RLS in Power BI. Question 4 is how do you create relationship between tables in Power BI? So Power BI automatically create relationship between two or more tables based on same column name and data types. If Power BI does not create relationship, then you can manually create relationship in model view. First go to the model view, then drag and drop a field from one table to the matching fields in another table. Then set relationship type 1 to many, many to 1, many to many. Then check cross filter direction, single or both. Then verify relationship and ensure it aligns with your data model. So this is the process to create relationship between tables in Power BI. Question 5. Difference between star schema and snowflake schema. How will you know to use which schemas respectively? So star schema is a central fact table is directly connected to dimension table. Snowflake schema, a central fact table connects to normalized dimensions table which may connect to other subdimensions. Use star schema when your data is straightforward, performance is a priority, and you want to simplicity in your data model. Use snowflake schema when your data has high complexity, storage efficiency is important, and you are okay with slightly slower query performance due to more joins. So if you want to learn how to work on data modeling and create star schema and snowflake schema, so I have already made a video on this topic. Please check it out. The link is in the description box. Let's move to the question 6. Explain the importance of surrogate keys in the data modeling. So the answer is ensures each record has a unique identifier, improves indexing and query speed, avoids duplication and maintains consistency. Unlike natural keys, surrogate keys don't change over time, helps in establishing efficient table joins. So this is the importance of surrogate keys in data modeling. Question 7 is how do you use the filter function in DAX? Provide an example. The filter function returns a subset of a table based on a condition. So the syntax is filter your table and add condition. For example, to filter sales data for the East region. So the DAX function is filters sales is equal to filter sales region is equal to East. Question 8 is write a DAX formula to calculate the running total for sales. So DAX is running total sales is equal to calculate sum sales amount, filter all sales date is less than or equal to maximum sales date. Question 9 is how do you handle missing or inconsistent data in Power Query? Okay, so the answer is for remove nulls, use remove rows, use replace values to fill missing data, use fill up and fill down options to propagate values, ensure correct data types for consistency, use remove duplicates to clean data, use if statements to handle inconsistencies, and there are a lot more things to handle missing data in Power Query. Question 10 is what are slicers and how do you use them in Power BI dashboard? Slicers are visual filters that allow users to interactively filter data in a Power BI report. So to use slicers in a dashboard, go to visualizations, select slicer, then drag a column, for example date, region, country into the slicer. Then use formatting options like drop down, list, multi-select. Then slicers automatically filter charts and tables. Question 11 is how do you optimize Power BI reports for performance? Use import mode rather than direct query mode. Avoid complex calculations in visuals. Remove unnecessary columns and rows. Pre-aggregate data for better performance. Prepare star schema over snowflake schema. Use limited visuals per page. Too many visuals slow down reports. Reduce interactions and auto refresh. Optimize data sources before loading. So there are a lot more things you can done to optimize Power BI reports for performance. Question 12 is write a query to find second highest salary from employee table in SQL. SQL query to find the second highest salary is select distinct salary from employee, order by salary decreasing, limit 1, offset 1. So using this query you can find out second highest salary person in your employee table. Last question of the session, question 30 is how do you optimize a slow query in SQL? To optimize a slow query in SQL, use indexes, use explain to analyze queries, avoid select all, fetch only required columns, use limit for large data, optimize joins and subqueries. So this is the 13 questions asked in Deloitte Power BI interview. I also made a video on TCS interview questions and Accenture interview questions. So please check it out. Link is in description box. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Power BI insights.